Alright guys, thank you for joining me, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, this is what we do here. We give you perfect walkthrough through the Web Security Academy labs, and we explain some of these vulnerabilities, make it easier to understand. So if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Security Man, and today we are on another lab called titled Remote Code Execution via Web Shell Upload. Still on Web Security Academy, server-side vulnerabilities. Alright, so what we have before us is it says this lab contains a vulnerable image upload function. It doesn't perform any validation on the files users upload before storing them on the server system. Now, to solve the lab, upload a basic PHP web shell and use it to exfiltrate the contents of the file /home/carlos/secret and submit the secret using the button provided in the lab banner. You can log in using your account, credentials, Vienna, and password Peter. So basically what we're going to be doing is we want to fetch a secret from the server side, and we're going to be uploading a web shell through the file upload functionality of this particular web application. And in order to do that, we're going to create a .php file and embed this particular script in it. This is the script that will be doing the exploit. So let's get that on the way. So the reason why this we are able to do this is because the server has failed to validate users' inputs. And so because it's failing to check, is this user alright, they are logged in, they are the owner of the account, but are they allowed to upload this type of file? So because the server has failed to check that, we are able to exploit that vulnerability and get Carlos's secret. Alright, so let's head to the lab. My account. So we're going to be logging with the credentials we were given, Vienna, and password Peter. Don't save. So if you have a random image, you could just upload a random image. For instance, I'm going to be using this image which I downloaded from online. So as you know, my Bob suite is already running on the background. I'm going to clear the history so that it will be easier for me to see the particular request that I'm looking for. So we're going to upload this image. This is just a regular image. It has no script in it. So we will be uploading that. Upload. Alright, that's strange. Let's go back and try it again. Alright, so the file avatar and titled Wandering Dog has been uploaded, and if we go to our Bob, you can see the request, my account /avatar. Alright, so now we'll go back to our account, back to my account, and then we find the particular get request that executes the action. Here it is. So now, as for our script, we are going to be creating a PHP file, and we are going to be embedding this script into the file. Let's copy, Control C, and let's go to our terminal, and we're going to type nano and then title of the file exploit.php, and we're going to click enter. And now to paste in the Linux terminal, you paste with Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Now we've pasted, and then Ctrl X, and then hit Y, and then enter. And now our file has been saved. If we go to our files, we will see it here. Here it is, exploit.php. So we'll go back to our lab and try to upload our script. So we select our script, exploit.php, and we upload it. So you can see it was successfully uploaded, right? To go back to our lab, and then let's head over to Bob, and we can see the get request here. And at this point, this exploit is already successful because this is the secret key we are looking for, and we're going to Ctrl C, copy that, and then we'll come back to the lab and hit submit solutions, Ctrl V, and let's submit it and see. And there it is. It says congratulations, you have solved the lab. If you enjoyed this lesson, kindly hit the follow button, and thank you.